CAURA River. When you go early, you get to truly appreciate the peaceful ambience, the beautiful scenery, and the sounds of the birds along the water. It's a special kind of luxury to experience nature in its calmest and most beautiful moments. Going early allows you to enjoy nature at its finest, the peaceful atmosphere, the breathtaking scenery, the gentle sound of the water, and the beautiful songs of the birds surrounding you. These are the little luxuries that money can't buy, moments where you can slow down, connect with nature, and truly appreciate the beauty that God has created. It's an experience for the soul, the Divine Source One daily experiences.
Quietness, relaxation. Perfect place to come and meditate. Beauty, natural wonders of the world.